Everyone's been so focused on crypto lately that they've missed probably one of the biggest announcements we've had in a while for a stock that I've spoken about a couple of times on this channel. It's a company I invested about $700,000 into a couple weeks ago, and I just put the money in there, sort of forgot about it because it's a long-term investment for me. I believe this company has massive potential. I believe it could easily 10x over the next 5 years because of the industry they're in. So the company we're going to talk about today, the one that had the major announcement that no one is talking about, is STEM Inc. Stock ticker symbol STEM. Currently, it's sitting right around $20.61. Last 5 days, it's up 21%. It did take a bit of a beating recently, but they recently announced their first quarter 2021 financial results, and this was a major announcement. So if you guys aren't familiar with STEM Inc., they did merge with a company called STPK. It was a SPAC, and now it's officially, the merger is complete. So these results are from before the merger was complete. The merger took place in April 28th, 2021 this year. So these results are through March 31st. And anyways, according to their financial results, it says that revenues were $15.4 million versus $4.1 million in the same quarter last year. So revenue has basically 4x'd from quarter to quarter, year over year. In addition to this, the main thing that I want you guys to realize is that the contracted backlog increased to $221 million, which is insane. That means that under contract, they already have $221 million in revenue. And this is really important because for those of you who aren't familiar, STEM Inc. is in an industry that is rapidly growing. It has a total addressable market of about $1.2 trillion. And STEM Inc. is the major player in this space. They are the leading company in this space. They have majority of the market share in California and other industries, other markets that are popping up around the US. But right now, STEM Inc., what they do is they're an energy storage company. They have a specific technology called Athena technology, which is an AI platform that helps to make energy usage more efficient. So if you think there's going to be more renewable resources, more renewable energy sources in the future, in order to have that, we're going to need to have a way to store that energy and distribute it the most efficient way possible. So with STEM Inc.'s Athena technology, this AI software, it basically tells the system, when you should be using battery powered energy versus when you should use solar powered versus when you should use the grid energy, and it tells the system when's the best time to use this, what's the way that you can use energy the most efficiently as possible. And that's why I really like this company, because if you think there's going to be more renewable energy sources in the future, there needs to be a way to store that energy. There needs to be a way to distribute it and use it in the most efficient way possible. And STEM Inc. is already the leader in this space with their Athena technology. One thing to keep in mind is recently, Citron Research came out, wrote a report on STEM Inc., and they explained how the key differentiating factor, the key value proposition that they have right now is that they are the biggest, and they do have the largest customers already. They already have business with Amazon, UPS, AMC, a lot of companies. And the thing that happens is their moat is only going to grow over time. So as more companies use this Athena AI software, it becomes more intelligent, it becomes better, more efficient, and as it becomes better and more efficient, more companies are going to want to use it because it essentially saves them more money, helps them figure out energy usage even more. And finally, last thing is, right now we're seeing a major push in the cryptocurrency world about Bitcoin being, not so energy efficient to mine, for Bitcoin mining and cryptocurrency mining. It's not great for the environment. So with Citron Research, with STEM Inc. and this report with Citron Research, I think it actually explains and actually can be tied together. I think you might actually see STEM Inc. do some business with mining companies, cryptocurrency mining companies in the future. It'll be something to keep an eye out on, but I think that we're seeing a really big push for energy, more efficient ways to use energy, whether that's with new renewable energy sources, whether that's energy storage, but there is a big push for renewable resources becoming more energy efficient, no matter what we're talking about, whether that's businesses, whether that's, vehicles switching over to electric, whether that's Bitcoin mining or cryptocurrency mining. Everything's trying to become more efficient with energy usage. And I think this major announcement with their Q1 results is a big deal for Stemming. It just confirms that they are growing very rapidly. They 4x their revenue year over year. And in addition to this, we're already seeing they're signing more contracts continually. So it's not just, the contracts they already have, they're continuing to add on to that. So I really like this company. Just wanted to do a quick update for you guys. We've been so distracted with the crypto world lately that I wanted to let you guys know what is going on here. But hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.